On the road with Minnesota 97.5 and K&S Heating and Air.
Just a short drive up Highway 63, you'll find yourself in the birthplace of water skiing in the home of Waterski Days, with the 50th annual celebration happening this weekend. Our first stop, Heidi's Huggamug Cafe, a quaint local favorite where blueberry lemon cake, the family recipe, biscuits and gravy, and many more dishes are made in-house with hands with over 30 years of experience. Then you can head to Treats and Treasures for handmade chocolates and fudge. But don't stop there. Shop boutique brands like Tribal, Habitat. Venture upstairs and you'll find unique home and garden decor, nautical themed gifts. The more time you browse, the more unique treasures and gifts you'll uncover. Then spend an afternoon taking in the scenery. Rent an e-bike, pontoon, or kayak from Lake City Boat Club and Rentals. Feeling extra adventurous? Have them take you and your group on a tandem hang gliding flight and soar over Lake Pepin.
On the road with Minnesota 97.5 is brought to you by K&S Heating and Air. One call does it all. Heating, cooling, plumbing, and electrical.